All right, this is an oldie but a goodie. So this is the 4 D Cell MagLight. This one's in the aluminum or stainless, I guess aluminum color. And this one's got the push button with 4 D cells. So D cells are not that expensive. They're large, they're heavy, but they're going to last a while, especially when it's just a light bulb like this. It's got a easy clicker on and off. And you can kind of see there, I'm not in a dark room or I'm not outside or anything, but you can real easily see when you twist the bezel on these, depending on how far away you're going to get your spot. A lot of people don't like them because of the spot. They probably don't realize you just focus it. So that's what these are all about, depending on what distance you're at. And you get out there, you focus it. You get in here, you focus it. Further away, you focus it. So it's a great light. It's been around forever. Made in the USA. You can get rings that you put on your belt or on a backpack or something to slide these into, and they can be great for tire thumpers. Hold them this way, thump your tires. But they're also just nice if you're taking a walk. They are heavy, but if you're taking a walk and you've got to worry about things like wild critters or maybe some loose dogs or something that aren't real aggressive, but sometimes you want to have some light, and then maybe something a little heavy is like a stick, then this is great. Thumping tires on a truck, I think that's probably where they get most of their use. And then just being a dependable light made in the USA. Hope this helps.